Cinnamon English. Set 7. I will. I will cook with my mum. I will cook with my mum. I will cut the paper. I will cut the paper. I will climb up the rope. I will climb up the rope. I will dance with my friends. I will dance with my friends. I will drink milk. I will drink milk. I will eat watermelon. I will eat watermelon. I will kick the ball. I will kick the ball. I will jump up and down. I will jump up and down. I will look at the clouds. I will look at the clouds. I will laugh and play. I will laugh and play. I will ride my bike. I will ride my bike. I will read books. I will read books. I will sit on the chair. I will sit on the chair. I will sing a song. I will sing a song. I will swim in the pool. I will swim in the pool. I will sleep in my bed. I will sleep in my bed. I will go to school. I will go to school. I will walk in the park. I will walk in the park. I will write stories. I will write stories. I will draw pictures. I will draw pictures.